Hey traders, it's 43 minutes past 5 p.m. here in Brisbane on Thursday, the 19th of October, and I wanted to give you an update on my fight with Pound Aussie as well. So let's take a look at what I was looking for and where did the market pull back into. So we were sitting somewhere around here when I did the fight card, and I was looking for a deeper pullback. When I did the fight card, we were sitting right there on my offense line, and I wanted a little bit of a deeper pullback. We got a lot of a deeper pullback into here. So I want to take a look here on the 4 hours, and what we can see, I was looking for potential even pullback into this 4 hour breakout level. We actually passed it, so we can see we had a few indecision candles just underneath that level, but the seller was strong and they were able to push the price to another lower low, but they weren't able to push the price lower than this area. So it does give a bit more of a bullish edge, but it's not as fantastic as pulling back into the breakout level. The next thing that happened is we can see we had a quick push back into that area. So if we'll take a look at what it looks like on the 1 hour, we can see we had a lot of rejection. So even though we moved higher with a lot of fights from the sellers. Then we broke above that level, which in either way didn't look fantastic with this sideways going on around. We rejected that break and fell below that level. So before I went to sleep, I wanted to see the market closing above that level. Unfortunately, this happened too late in my night. So in my morning, I could see that we already broke and closed above it, and that looked nice. But the thing is, this consolidation, that does look similar to the consolidation on Euro Aussie. This one is happening at the low of this strong bearish candle. If we have a quick comeback into the Euro Aussie, then we can see that this consolidation was happening at the top over here. So that looks more bullish than having that consolidation at the lower part of it. The level also looks different, and also the area, the origin of the last push to that lower low, which started over here. Again, it's not aligning with that level. So there were a few things on this opponent that didn't quite look like a great fight that I want to get into. Eventually, this one did continue higher, and it did something similar to what Euro Aussie is doing, but I want to look for high probability fights. And if I see a sign and another sign and another something and another one that gets me a little bit uneasy about the location, about the potential that there might be a deeper pullback, about the fact that there was a lot of fight going on here as we were struggling to push higher, where if we again take a look at Euro Aussie as a comparison, we can see that there was more bullishness in this activity. These two last candles are closing at the high, so it looks a little bit different, and I prefer to enter the ring with Euro Aussie, and in this case leave Pound Aussie on its own. That's okay, there's plenty of fights out there. I don't have to enter the ring with each and every opponent. I don't like getting even slightly injured in the ring, so smashing my opponents into the rope, that's a fight I'm gonna be taking. Happy knockouts everyone, bye for now.